sake. Unbelievable. Oh! What the f*** are you doing? What the f***ing hell are you doing? Open your f***ing eyes! Are you f***ing serious? What the f***? Use your eyes, you stupid c***!
Double decker, a nie daka deka.
Double decker bus came.
No patrz, co za przygłup, co on robi?
File protected.
Shaun! What are you doing? What are you doing?
Did I go into the back of you?
Yeah, when you're in patience.
There's a dash cam there. You're on video crashing into me.
Okay.
You stopped your car, you got out, you had road rage, and then you crashed into me.
You had road rage, you had road rage.
And then you just...
You had road rage.
You beeped your horn.
Mate?
You beeped your horn. Now shut your
now,
mouth.
There's no need
Don't
to
you
beep it on
start.
just because I didn't pull off the roundabout quick enough for you.
And then you crashed
were the one
into
that were
me.
impatient.
No, you crashed into us.
No, she crashed...
You crashed into
Come
us.
here. Come here. Mate, there's a dash cam. Are you giving your details? You crashed into me and you're driven off. Are you giving your details? Well, that'll be calling the police. Are you failing to provide details? And your name?
Jane.
Jane.
Yeah.
And your insurance company?
Direct line.
Direct line. All right.
You people like that, you would have bastard.
You crashed into me, and she's just said I hit her,
No, you crashed
and you're on
into her.
dash cam.
You crashed into
I've
her.
got a dash cam. You're on
I don't
video.
give a bollocks.
All right, mate. You're on video, so I'll be calling the police.
All right, bollocks.
All right, so the police can ring you, and they'll ask what's going on.
Go suck it.
I'll suck it.
Show me the dash cam then.
Show you the dash cam?
Yeah.
Oh, it's in the windscreen, look.
Bro.
Hallmark Medicare Supplement insurance plans are not affiliated with any government agency. It's one of the biggest sales of the entire year. Get a stop.
What the f***, dude? It's not a f***ing stop sign!
I almost got into a fender bender at about 30 miles an hour, and FSD just saved my this morning, so I will give credit where credit is due. Look at this. I literally was taking a sip of coffee. I mean, obviously I supervised my FSD, but this perfect storm moment, I was taking a sip of coffee, and the car in front of me slams on its brakes. I wasn't paying attention to my right. You can see there's a car on my right. FSD literally does like a double thing. It like slows down. It slows down because it sees the car, allows the car to pass. It doesn't hit the car in front of me, and then it makes another turn. So it makes a right turn to avoid the car in front of me, stops the right turn because he sees a car to the right, and then continues with the right turn. Look at this. 1, 2. I am, this thing literally saved my look at this. One more time. You can see the smoke on the tires. Look at that. Boom! Saved my ass this morning.